to everyone who participated in Charlie's Rubik's Cube Challenge. Many of you posted impressive times, some much faster than mine, and others learned to solve the cube for the first time. All of this comes as no surprise because, let's face it, Cohawks are smart. 3 prize winners were randomly selected from all who completed the challenge, and they are Trey Holub, Adam Morley, and a team, Vin Wynn and his son Patrick. Congratulations to the winners and to all who took on the challenge. Well done.